Since the inception of Ryobi Power Tools, their dedication has been to uphold the highest quality in tool craftsmanship. Be it patio cleaning, monitoring wood moisture, or tackling snow blockages, these tools stand by your side as an optimal solution. Now, explore a selection of the most innovative Ryobi Power Tools, unveiling a range of cutting-edge solutions previously unseen.
Discover the latest and coolest tech gadgets at DTECHTS. Our team thoroughly tests and evaluates new products to bring you a curated list of the newest and coolest gear. We also help you to make a perfect buying guide. We hope you find our selection enjoyable and informative.
What's roaming on your lawn? Is that a mower? Yes, this is the ROBOYAGI from Ryobi that lets you reclaim your time and enjoy a smarter lawn. This fully automated mower can operate in rain or shine and takes all the hard work out of lawn mowing. Even if you're out of home, it completes the job as a self-operated mechanism and quietly mows your lawn. Your dog may be confused once it sees the ROBOYAGI in action. This ROBOYAGI provides a wide cutting path for fast task completion. Want to know a cool part? It can be remotely controlled by the dedicated app. So get a neat lawn in the smartest way. Carrying your spring tools, accessories, and other essentials will save your day. And if the whole kit comes in a cordless design, convenience will be beyond imagination. This is a sleek, stylish backpack chemical sprayer that has a 4-gallon capacity to handle big jobs. You no longer need any pumping to operate the sprayer, and surprisingly enough, it sprays up to 200 gallons per charge. The best thing about this tool is the 4 individual nozzles that assist you in different tasks. Variable pressure dial, gravity-fed design, and comfortable ergonomics come as a great combination to maintain the topmost outcome after every action. Patios covered with snow won't bother you until you drive to the supermarket. This Snowthrower from Ryobi simply tackles up to 51 centimeters of snow and reduces ice in a quick effort-free way. First thing first, you can choose between 3 available models depending on your preferences, and of course, it runs on a battery. So you don't have to drag cords around your front yard or patios. The powerful brushless motor allows you to make a cleaner way through the toughest snows and remove them from the decks and driveways. Power without a cord, power without gas. Okay, there's always something that improves your work process and makes it more precise than the last one. This Ryobi RBC LL-G2 Greenline laser is that kind of tool. It simply lets you do the most accurate spacing every time and gets all job done in second. Whether you're painting, decorating, or simply hanging pictures, you'll definitely love the green laser technology that provides super sharp laser lines that are up to 4 times more visible. The key part we can't skip is the grid protection line that allows you to see both horizontal and vertical lines, meaning you can use it for numerous applications, and the included target plate ensures pinpoint marking and leveling in every condition. After the crossline laser, Ryobi introduces one of its most unique products, the multi-surface laser. It's an innovative product for all of your leveling projects. This cool guy's best pro is that it equips 3 mounting options for hands-free leveling, such as suction cups, pins, and magnets. In addition, it features a 90-degree protractor for accurately leveling anything with an angle. This thing over here makes you feel like a cowboy holding a gun. Actually, it's an infrared thermometer that offers an easy and intuitive way of measuring temperatures in both Celsius and Fahrenheit format without any physical probes. With the unique 8 laser dot projection, you can easily identify the measured area with a visible circular pattern. Cool, isn't it? This Ryobi infrared thermometer is so compact that you can easily carry it in your back pocket. You can also scan the temperature fluctuations with this thermometer. Moisture measurement is one of the most crucial tasks every DIYer often meets. So here is the Ryobi moisture meter that is great for using around the home and caravans to find out whether the wood logs are ready for the project or not. Get a real moisture content reading instantly on the screen thanks to the LED color code. You'll get the exact information about the woodlog's condition. The best thing about this moisture meter is its super compact size, so taking measurement and confined spaces are no more of a headache now. Fast, simple, and accurate. You can't deny that your patio reflects your house's overall style, and you don't want to spend a whole while cleaning them. So meet the Ryobi Cordless Patio Cleaner and get rid of all annoying cleaning hours. It uses a high-speed scrubbing brush to take the effort out of every job. Unlike the traditional patio cleaner, this one removes all the weeds and dirt effectively. If you need to adjust the handle height for better comfort, just release the latch and slide the handle shaft up or down to the exact height. Here's a cool part: it allows you quick brush changing facilities and lets you choose the right one for your demanding job. Though it looks similar to the last one, but it was for outside of your house, and this tool you see here is for the inside cleaning. Yes, this is the Ryobi Stick Vacuum, your new working hero who is going to save you from all the demon specks of dirt. Chokes apart, it lets you clean your area in a single pass for maximum convenience and is very easy to maneuver wherever dust is hiding, even in the most confined spaces. This stick vac finds them out in seconds. And here's the coolest part: this stick vac stands on its own, so now you can leave it standing anywhere you want anytime you need. If you want to give your vehicle a neat look, you need to swap between different modes of cleaning. Rather than taking up the hassle of switching, you better go with this 3-in-1 power washer that allows you to choose from 3 different spray settings: a 15-degree fan spray for general cleaning, a shower function for rinsing, and a turbo nozzle for a tough cleaning application. Surprisingly enough, this cordless power washer is 4 times more powerful than a standard garden hose. It means you no longer have to worry about washing stubborn dirt on your car, bike, patio, or other surfaces. Continuously working in the cold can be hazardous if you overlook the body warming issues. Here is the Ryobi 18-volt hybrid forced air propane heater that offers great outdoor heating coverage, while spanning up to 2,500 square feet. Plus, you can customize the heat output between 30,000 and 60,000 BTU with a temperature control dial. However, the durable metal construction and easy carrying handle let you transport it easily without worrying about any damages. So that was the list of the coolest Ryobi power tools you've never seen before.
Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found our video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.